In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to be virtual assistant on Airbnb 2026 step by step. By the end, you'll understand what the role involves, how to navigate the Airbnb platform, which skills to sharpen, how to package and price your services, where to find clients, the tools that make work smoother, and how to deliver results that keep hosts coming back. Start by understanding the core responsibilities of an Airbnb virtual assistant. Your day-to-day often includes answering guest messages and inquiries, managing calendars so availability is accurate, updating prices to match demand, replying to reviews, coordinating cleaners, handling basic maintenance requests, and preparing simple occupancy and revenue summaries. You don't need to own a property to get started. You're supporting hosts operationally. Aim for a friendly, solution-focused tone and keep notes on common questions so you can respond quickly and consistently. Next, learn your way around the Airbnb platform. Get comfortable with the host dashboard, the inbox and saved replies, calendar and pricing settings, the resolution center for issues and claims, and the listing editor for titles, descriptions, and photos. Watch platform tutorials, create a demo listing if possible, and if you can, offer to support a small host to build experience. Always practice with permission and respect guest privacy. Now build the skills that matter. Professional written communication and a fast response time are essential. Basic copywriting helps you write clear listings and helpful messages. Problem solving and time management keep you calm when two guests need help at once. As a bonus, learn simple design tools to make digital guidebooks, explore dynamic pricing tools, and get familiar with property management software. Package your services clearly. A starter option might focus on inbox management and basic calendar updates. A growth option can add guest messaging, pricing adjustments, and review management. Full management typically includes complete inbox handling, cleaner coordination, and monthly reporting. Choose a pricing model that fits your market and experience, hourly per listing per month or commission-based. If you're new, starting hourly can help define scope before switching to a flat retainer. Set clear availability hours and response expectations in writing. To find clients, look in Airbnb host communities, LinkedIn, freelance marketplaces, and through polite cold outreach. Keep your pitch simple. You help hosts increase bookings and maintain 5-star reviews by handling communication and operations so they can focus on growth. Share relevant experience or a short sample report to build trust. Use tools to work smarter. AI-assisted writing can speed up replies, automated messaging handles routine questions, spreadsheets keep track of tasks and performance, and property management software centralizes operations. Create simple templates and standard operating procedures to maintain quality. Finally, deliver excellent service. Aim to reply within 5 to 15 minutes during your stated hours. Be proactive about potential issues, track and resolve problems, and suggest listing improvements. Report results such as higher occupancy, better reviews, and fewer complaints. Consistency, clarity, and measurable outcomes are what turn one-time projects into long-term clients.